So this is how it looks, the situation on the one of the main junctions in Sanur. So many people. And the kids around and everything, as you see, and selling tissue, like this boy or this small girl here. In Sanur, this is the junction. So many, I see the people, the kids, younger and small kids, walking around these ones with tissue. There's so many people actually over here. Winnie is talking with them. So sad, really, really sad, breaking, heartbreaking.
Alright, so I just finished working today. I'm a little bit tired, but when I arrived, passing the road, I saw there are many people are here. They are selling tissue and everything. So yeah, I decided to buy something for them, and they said they are from East Karangasem. And yeah, let's see what we can buy for them.
So all these kids and the people, they are actually very close where we are living. So we see them almost every day, but we didn't talk too much about that. And today we really have to feel like we want to help them. We are now somewhere in Batur Sari in Sanur, and we're gonna buy them some food, later some drinks, stuff like this. Alright, so we're gonna buy 20 nasi bungkus for them, and with the very nice dishes this lady and this guy preparing for us. By the way, they fry here also. I hope so. They will be happy with that. Thank you. Oh, we are organizing food in this warung. This is Batur Sari area, by the way. Why it's so bright? It's so hot day. If you're interested, how does it look? Quick update from the Batur Sari. Meanwhile, we're waiting for the food for these people. So everything is actually there. Most of these people, they are usually in Sanur on the biggest junctions. One where we show you, and one where is McDonald's. So that's how it looked like. After food, we're gonna come back. Alright, we got our 20 portions of the nasi bungkus. As you see, all it's preparing. So we're gonna buy some other things, and we're gonna go to give them. Thank you.
Let's go.
Okay, we are buying water for them, the full box. We're in the shop, so obviously not sure if I can showing, but what else? Let's buy some older drinks. There are also some kids there, as you saw, smaller and teenagers, but especially the small ones. So we're gonna buy some biscuits also for them. If they maybe don't wanna eat spicy food or something, or later they are hungry, always they can keep it even tomorrow.
Okay, so because we saw that there are many small babies there, so I decided to buy some formula milk for them. I hope it works. I hope it helps.
Yes, they can make it later at home or something. The small kids, babies actually. We also gonna buy them some juices, the small for the kids, the orange, apple, and do you think they like guava? Maybe not, maybe orange, yeah? Orange, and yeah, the orange one. Alright, we are come back with the goodies. Still, they are waiting for us. Nasi, water. Yeah. So many kids. They are a little bit shy, but I really like them because when we come and ask them, are you hungry? You wanna eat? They said yes. Not like asking only for money or something. You know what I mean? That's actually really, really nice. Check how many small kids are here, and look at this baby with this lady over here, and there, and there. So many of them. This reminds me the Kuta kids, you know. The air is here, yeah? The water. Yeah, so sad. I'm so happy as they are happy. Look at this small baby here. See? Here, this one. These kids. I don't know what should I say. I just wanna give them, you know, and see them happy, you know. Whoa, 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 because the juice inside, you know. Because of the juice inside. I changed the lens to show you everything. I also they are happy. Little bit help. They are just literally on the parking area, you know. And this is huge junction in Sanur. And they are usually asking you for buy the tissue or asking for money. But literally they are hungry. If you would like to help them and give them food, they for sure will take it, you know. You just can carry the bottle of water or bottle of, I don't know, iced tea or whatever they want. It's easy. Check this out. This kid's crying, so sad.
She's just 3 months old. How old? 3 months old. Ngajang. Baby Joy itu menang. Batuan. Semuanya bebas. Kurang megah ini. Neneknya mau dulu ya. Yang berapa? So he's the fourth child actually. Ibu, ini mah dua anak, but she has 4 children. And this one is the little baby 3 months old.
Oh.
So cute.
And where they come from?
They are coming from Karangasem, East Bali. So they are coming from Munti village. So Dumon napi po pekaryana po. Dumon dagang tisu, ya jualan tisu. Mon di napi di desa kan wenten pekaryan napi. Kan masa hujan lo wenten. Napi ini kan masa hujan jagung. Semuanya nggak sekolah. Harus sekolah satu aja. Yang mana nih kayak sekolah? Cewek. Oh, yang pakai baju putih ini? Baru satu sekolah. Kelas berapa sayang? Kelas 1. Kelas 1. Alright, so yeah, we decided to share that to them that when we arrive we feel like there are so many nowadays because of this pandemic situation. They didn't have anything that they can do. They are actually coming from the East Bali, Karangasem, Munti village, and I asked that why you come to Denpasar? Yeah, because there is nothing that they can do in their village, and then yeah, they decided to be what is it, here in Denpasar. So yeah, some people are fortunate and some people are misfortune. So yeah guys, we just decided to pay it forward whatever you already support to us, and yeah, this is part of our life. So I just want to say thank you so much, and I think that's all our video today guys. Thank you so much, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.